Okay, this is fractions number 7 and it's looking at simple percentages. So percentages, fractions and decimals are all just different ways of representing values. The unique feature of percentages is they are written as a fraction of 100. So it's always a fraction over 100. And that's what percent means, part of 100. You should already be familiar with percentages and equivalents of simple fractions and decimals outlined in this table. So this table shows you a half is 0.5 or 50%, a quarter 0.25, 25%, 3/4 is 0.75 or 75%, and so on. There's a whole range here that you need to know, and now we're going to see how we can use those fractions, percentages and decimals. So let's have a look at a worked example. It says of 100 sheep in a field, 83 are ewes, and we're asked to find out what fraction, decimal and percentage of the sheep are ewes. Well, we're told that it's 83 out of 100, so the fraction is 83 over 100. 83 over 100 is very easy to write as a decimal. It's just 0.83. And to write it as a percentage, it's just 83 with the percentage sign after it. And then we're asked to find the fraction of that are not used, fraction, decimal and percentage that are not used. Well, it's the rest, isn't it? The rest out of the 100. So if 83 are used, then 17 must be not used. So the fraction is 17 over 100, or 0.17. And 0.17 is just 17%, 17 out of 100. Here's another example. It says convert 35% into a fraction and a decimal. Remember, percent means out of 100, so it's 35 out of 100. But because 35 and 100 have got common factors, we can cancel. 5 goes into 35 7 times, 5 goes into 100 20 times, so we can simplify it to 7 over 20. So 35% is 7 over 20. To convert it to a decimal, we can look back at the 35 out of 100 and we use that to write it as 0.35. 0.35 is the same as 35 over 100, or 35%. Okay, now we've had a look at a few examples. You can have a go at exercise 15.3a and see how you go on with those.